Out in the vast darkness, Voyager 1 drifts farther from home than any human creation ever has. It's now over 25 billion kilometers away, so distant that even light takes more than a day to reach it from the sun. Voyager 1 is a solitary pioneer, a tiny spark of human ingenuity moving through the endless quiet of interstellar space. Here, there's no sound, no air, only the faint glow of distant galaxies and the hum of aging instruments. For decades, it's sent back whispers of its journey, signals growing fainter each year. These messages carry data from a realm no human has seen, a testament to our curiosity. Imagine floating in this cold void. The sun is just another distant star, constellations warped beyond recognition. Voyager 1 is now in new territory, where the rules of the galaxy take over from those of our solar system. Every second, it travels 17 kilometers farther from us, its connection a fragile thread of radio waves. We strain to hear its fading voice, listening for the last secrets before it falls silent. It is the loneliest explorer, a ghost ship on the solar wind, carrying our story into the great, silent beyond. Its journey is a relentless, unstoppable voyage into eternity. Voyager 1's journey began in 1977, an era of hope and ambition. Twin spacecraft, Voyager 1 and 2, were launched to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a chance that comes once every 175 years. Their technology was simple by today's standards, computers less powerful than a car key fob, data stored on magnetic tape. But this simplicity made them robust and resilient, built to survive the harshness of space. These probes were more than scientific instruments. They were emissaries, our first steps into the galaxy. Knowing they'd outlast their missions, NASA attached a message, a greeting from Earth to any future finder. It was a gesture of optimism, a belief that our story is worth sharing with the cosmos. Launched into the heavens, they carried the hopes of an entire planet, their mission to explore the giants of our solar system, and ultimately, to become wanderers, silent messengers to the stars. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our thirst for knowledge. The twin Voyagers began their epic journeys together, but their paths soon diverged. Voyager 1's mission studied Jupiter and Saturn, using their gravity to slingshot itself onward. Its encounter with Jupiter in 1979 revealed the Great Red Spot as a swirling storm, faint rings, and active volcanoes on Io, proof that distant worlds are alive. At Saturn, Voyager 1 unveiled the planet's intricate rings and focused on Titan, a moon with a thick, mysterious atmosphere. To study Titan, Voyager 1 took a trajectory that flung it out of the planetary plane, ending its grand tour. This decision sealed its fate. It would not visit Uranus or Neptune. Instead, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object set on a course for interstellar space. Its journey transformed from planetary exploration to a quest into the unknown. The mission's gravity assist technique was a masterstroke, propelling the probes farther than rockets alone ever could. Voyager 1's path diverged forever from its twin, marking a dramatic turning point. Its new mission to become humanity's first interstellar scout. The grand tour was over, but a new, greater adventure had begun. Voyager 1 was now bound for the stars. As Voyager 1 soared away, Voyager 2 continued the grand tour, heading for Uranus and Neptune. Their separation was a slow divergence, dictated by physics and mission goals. Voyager 1's flyby of Titan bent its path out of the solar system, while Voyager 2 pressed on to the distant ice giants. Voyager 1 became our interstellar scout, measuring the solar wind and magnetic fields at the edge of the sun's influence. Voyager 2, the marathon runner, faced the challenge of exploring worlds where sunlight is 1,000 times fainter than on Earth. This separation showcased the brilliance of the mission's design. Two probes, two destinies, doubling our chances of discovery. When Voyager 1 left the planetary plane, it didn't end the grand tour. It began a new phase for both spacecraft. One raced toward the stars, the other completed a journey across the outer solar system, a feat never repeated. Their paths split, but their shared legacy was just beginning. Together, they redefined what was possible. Attached to each Voyager is a golden record, a time capsule, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. Led by Carl Sagan, the team created a portrait of Earth 115 images, sounds of our world, and music spanning cultures and centuries. The record's images show DNA, human anatomy, cities, families, and scenes from daily life. Sounds include a baby's cry, ocean waves, whale songs, and rain, a soundscape of Earth. Music forms the heart: Bach, Beethoven, Senegalese percussion, Peruvian wedding songs, and Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Good. Greetings in 55 languages, from ancient Akkadian to modern Wu Chinese, offer a simple welcome. The English greeting, spoken by a child: hello from the children of planet Earth. The Golden Record is our introduction to the cosmos, a summary of who we are, sent on a billion-year journey. It's a gesture of hope, a gift of beauty and unity. Whether it's ever found doesn't matter. The act of sending it speaks volumes. It is humanity's symphony, echoing through the stars. For decades after Saturn, Voyager 1 sailed through the heliosphere, the sun's magnetic bubble. Its mission measured this bubble and search for its edge, the heliopause. Power dwindled as its plutonium generators aged, forcing engineers to shut down systems to conserve energy. In 2012, Voyager 1 detected a dramatic change, a drop in solar particles, a surge in cosmic rays. It had crossed the heliopause, leaving the sun's protection and entering interstellar space, the first object from Earth to do so. Now, Voyager 1 is our only direct probe of this mysterious realm, sending back data from the thin soup of particles and radiation between the stars. Despite its age, it continues to rewrite our understanding of the galaxy. Its journey beyond the sun's embrace marks a leap from planetary explorer to true starship. Voyager 1 is now our hands and eyes in the Milky Way. Its achievement is a monumental milestone in human exploration. In 1990, Carl Sagan asked NASA to turn Voyager 1's cameras back toward Earth for one last photo. From nearly 6 billion kilometers away, Earth appeared as a tiny speck, a pale blue dot. The image is grainy, but its message is profound. Our world, a fragile oasis in the cosmic dark. Sagan's words echo, "That's here. That's home. That's us." Every human joy and sorrow, every triumph and tragedy, unfolded on that mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. The pale blue dot forces us to confront our place in the universe, small, vulnerable, and united. It's a lesson in perspective, underscoring the folly of conflict and the importance of caring for our only home. From space, our borders and divisions vanish. We are all in this together. Voyager 1's parting gift was this symbol of unity, a final look back before turning to the stars. The image is more than a photograph. It's a call for humility and stewardship. It reminds us that, in the vastness, we are one. And then, Voyager 1 journeyed on. In 2026, both Voyagers continue their silent journey, far beyond their expected lifespans. Their power is fading, and engineers perform long-distance maintenance, sending commands that take over a day to arrive. Technical glitches threaten their missions, but the NASA team finds creative solutions, keeping these explorers alive. The end is inevitable. By 2030, power will run out, and the spacecraft will fall silent. First Voyager 2, then Voyager 1, their voices will fade, and the thread connecting us will break. Yet this silence is not an end, but a transition. They will become artifacts, our silent ambassadors carrying the golden records into the distant future. Their mission of discovery will end, but their legacy will endure. They enter a long twilight, a final chapter before an eternity of silent flight. We cherish their last whispers, knowing their story will outlast us. The Voyagers have rewritten our understanding of the solar system and given us our first taste of interstellar space. Their scientific legacy is immense, but their ultimate legacy is deeper. They will outlast us, traveling the galaxy for millions, perhaps billions of years. Long after Earth is gone, the Voyagers will endure, silent and cold, but immortal. They carry proof that we once existed, a species curious enough to reach for the stars. The golden record is a testament to our creativity, hope, and desire to connect. Whether it's ever found is almost irrelevant. The act of sending it defines us. The Voyagers are our eternal messengers, drifting ever further, carrying the story of humanity. They are more than machines. They are our proxies in the cosmos, symbols of our relentless drive to explore. The Voyager spacecraft are our legacy among the stars, a final enduring whisper from a species that dared to dream.